This is the portfolio rubric guidance for Standard 1.NBT.B.4. Compare two two-digit numbers based on the meaning of the digits in each place and use the symbols greater than, equals, and less than to show the relationship. For this standard, the teacher is assessing the student's ability to compare two two-digit numbers and use the symbols greater than, equal, less than to show the relationship. The teacher should give the student a sheet with 20 problems for the student to compare two two-digit numbers. The student writes the symbol greater than, equal, or less than to show the relationship. Students may not use objects or drawings to compare these numbers. This assessment is comparing the numbers based on the meaning of the digits in each place. This is a written assessment. If the students are successful at level 4, you can move to level 5 through 6. This assesses the second grade standard. Here, the student is assessing the student's ability to compare two three-digit numbers and use the symbols greater than, equal, or less than to show the relationship. This is aligned to the standard 2.NBT.A.4. For this second grade standard, the teacher gives the student a sheet with 20 problems for the student to compare two three-digit numbers, and the student will write the symbol greater than, equal, or less than to show the relationship. For this standard, the students may also not use objects or drawings to compare the numbers. This assessment is comparing the numbers based on the meaning of the digits in each place. This is also a written assessment. We have an example for both levels 0 through 4 and levels 5 through 7. This is just one problem you could use. Teachers, you can choose any problems as long as it is 20 problems and the numbers are for levels 0 through 4, two-digit numbers, and for levels 5 through 7, they should be three-digit numbers. The required method of evidence for this entire standard for all levels 0 through 7 is the student writing product. Once you have your writing product, you can move to the rubric to score the student work. For levels 0 through 4, you're looking at the writing product where they are comparing the two two-digit numbers. To score a level 0, the student is unable to compare any of the two-digit numbers. At level 1, they are able to compare at least 5 correctly. At level 2, they are able to compare at least 10 correctly. Again, this is out of 20. At level 3, they are able to compare at least 15 of the 20 correctly. And at level 4, they are able to compare all 20 of those two-digit numbers correctly by using the symbols. For levels 5 through 7, the students are comparing three-digit numbers. If students are successful at level 5 and they can compare at least 10 of those two three-digit numbers correctly, you do not have to upload evidence of level 4. If they are able to compare at least 15 of those two three-digit numbers correctly, that is a score of a level 6. And if they are able to compare all 20 of the two three-digit numbers correctly using those symbols, that is the score of a level 7.